Are you tired of the same old, boring presentations? Do you want to captivate your audience with stunning visuals that leave a lasting impact? Well, guess what? The era of PowerPoint is over. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you. If you've ever struggled with creating captivating PowerPoint presentations, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to show you how to harness the power of AI to create stunning presentations for free. That's right. Say goodbye to the days of spending hours tweaking slides and say hello to effortless design with AI. So, let's dive right. Introduction to AI-powered presentations. So, you might have heard that PowerPoint is supposedly dead, but that doesn't mean presentations are a thing of the past. Thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence, we now have an incredible tool at our disposal. Allow me to introduce you to Meet Gamma, introducing the future of presentation design. Meet Gamma, the revolutionary AI powerhouse that's about to change the game. The AI powerhouse for deck design, with its remarkable text-to-design magic. Gamma AI is here to revolutionize the way we create presentations, and I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Gone are the days of spending hours perfecting your slides. With Meet Gamma, you can whip up decks and web pages in a matter of seconds. Yes, you heard that right, seconds. Step 1, Overview and Sign Up. First things first, head over to gamma.app. Once you're there, simply sign up using your email. It's as easy as that. This step sets the stage for all the magic that's about to happen. Step 2, Presentation Creation. Now, let's get into the fun part. Creating your presentation with AI magic. Write down your presentation topic. This will be the foundation of your slides. Watch as Gamma AI generates an outline based on your topic. Of course, you have the power to edit and refine this outline to your liking. Once you're satisfied, hit that Continue button. Here comes the exciting part. Choose a template that resonates with your content and style. And now, the wait begins. Gamma AI works its magic and crafts a beautiful presentation that'll make you look like a seasoned pro. It's that simple. Gone are the days of struggling with design elements and layouts. Gamma AI's got your back. You might be wondering, what's wrong with good old PowerPoint? Well, nothing's inherently wrong, but the world of presentation tools is evolving. Gamma AI stands as a strong contender against PowerPoint and other traditional tools. With its AI-driven approach, it streamlines the process, giving you more time to focus on the content itself. It's all about efficiency and impressive design, and that's where Gamma AI truly shines. So there you have it, folks. Creating PowerPoint presentations with AI for free is now a reality thanks to Gamma AI. The days of struggling with design and layout are over. Embrace the future of presentations and give Gamma AI a try. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get started on your presentation journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.